from the very beginning, in fact, from the moment I graduated, I owe my very first job to an alumna who pulled me in. And that was a point which was defining for me, and I really felt the strength of the alumni chapter and this network and possibilities that it hold for all of us, right? So that really motivated me to jump into this initiative, right? And hence, I've been part of the very first team of the formative team of this chapter. And now let's talk about things that we've done here last one or couple of years. So our first agenda was to bring people together. Before we came in, they were all scattered, very tiny fractional groups, which were mostly groups of that very cohort. So we brought all these groups together. That was our key, one of the key priorities. Now we have a Bangalore chapter. It has about 250 people. We have Hyderabad group. It has about 150 people. We have Chennai group, which has about 100 people. And these are three big cities of South India. We also have a Telegram group, which binds all these three cities together. And we have also created a forum on our alumni portal. And our key priority is to take and migrate everybody to this portal, right? So, second thing that we are trying to do this year is to create opportunities for each other, right? So last year was tough, and let me take an example of last year. A lot of our people did not have a job. They came out of the college. Some people who were graduated long back, even they did not have a job. So we kind of created an opportunity with companies like Salesforce. We placed them, through our network, about 30-40 people. The folks who joined Salesforce, they further pulled a lot more other people right in. So that was that really went a long way for all of us, and in those tough times, right? Alumni group was there to keep these guys going. Third thing that we're trying to do is use this platform that we've created to create hyper leverage for each other. You won't believe, I've been part of all these groups, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai. There are chit chats which are happening, every minute, single minute. There are some chit chats which are happening. There are about 5 or 6 problems, right, which folks have, their requests that they have, and they get addressed within 4 or 5 minutes, right? So that's the beauty of this leverage, and that's true for all the groups, be it Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai, right? So that's what we're trying to promote, a lot of leverage, and outside this, we're also creating a good solid bridge with the college, right? So right now, a lot of people they have gotten opportunities to work and profess and create certain programs with the college. They have also gotten opportunities to evaluate new candidates who are coming in, right? So these are the 4 areas that we kind of played on last year, and we have exciting plan for the future.
The alumni chapter here in Australia is a relatively new one. But in the short span of time that we've been around, we've had the opportunity to curate some wonderful events. We listened to some inspiring guest speakers, and we had fun at social events as well. In my view, there's great value in being a part of an alumni network. Not only does it give you the opportunity to network with individuals who all share a common bond, the bond that's known as SP Jain, but it also offers you that platform for lifelong learning. So as we step into this new year, I'd like to take this opportunity to invite all members of the SP Jain family who are based here in Australia to join the Alumni Association, to engage with the association and tell us what is it that you'd like to do as a part of this association's activities. I also take this opportunity to thank everyone who's supported me in this journey, and I look forward to continue being a part of this association and continue networking with each and every one of you who are based here in Australia?
I would like that young people who are already SPGen alums to apply for the post, and I would like that when you join this program or this alumni committee as a committee member, you have a lot to do. So if you have time on yourself and you can take it out for building a community in East India chapter, we welcome the people who think that they would be available to spare some time and have an enthusiasm for networking with people should apply for the same. Thank you, and looking forward. Please apply for all the posts that you think are eligible.
In Singapore, in past few years, we have tried various initiatives like expressions, weekly badminton sessions, mountaineering, SPGen social, and Writers Unblocked. All of these would not have been possible without strategic thinking, planning, and hard work from the committee members. A huge thanks to Poonam, Inder, Hussein, Charu, and Mustafa for leading the way and filling in for each other. The trust which we have developed in our community leaves us enriched and satisfied. Alumni community to me is like a mental protein where we meet people from diverse backgrounds, various industries, and exchange our information and knowledge. One of the prime reasons which I could propose for you to join this committee is that you get to try so many things no matter how many times you fail. Pencil your thoughts, discuss with your group, and execute it. You get all the help needed from the school. Secondly, it is very fulfilling to observe the way our school is embracing technology. Few professors I know in Singapore and in India are longing to hear more thoughts and ideas to convert into a viable business.
If you want to be a part of creation of this hyper leverage super sticky group, you should nominate yourself, right, and represent alumni across the world, and be a key face of our people as well as initiatives around our people, right? So if you want to be one of those key faces, you should definitely nominate. And the key qualities that you should be self-driven, you should be motivated, and you should be willing to sacrifice a part of you for this cause, right? Looking forward for your nomination.